Tired of worrying about your vehicle's paint job condition? Already spending time and money on fixing rock chips and scratches from branches? If you want your vehicle to look even more impressive, always new, and in perfect condition, there is a solution. Introducing Kavaca Paint Protection Films from the manufacturers of Ceramic Pro Protective Coatings NanoShine Group. Kavaca is a high-tech armor for your vehicle that will protect it from physical damage, aggressive chemicals, and dirt. It can self-heal minor scratches in mere seconds, even without applying heat. High quality of the films ensures long-lasting resistance to yellowing from UV, enhanced gloss, and color saturation. Kavaca is the solution you've been waiting for. So, get in touch with your local installer for more information on how to protect your vehicle with the newest technology for good.